All right, guys, 2015 Ford Mustang GT Coyote. It even says it on the badge. Look at that. That's awesome. He brought it in. I said, I got to do a video of it. It just looks so clean. I just like how he done everything on it. It's just clean. Not overly done. Modified nice. It's on E85. It's got long tube headers, custom wheels, tires, sniper system. So it's got long tube headers there and there. Then it was all done by them. So it had a leak here. We just fixed a couple exhaust leaks for him. We didn't do anything else. It's got an X pipe on it there. 2.5-inch system, Magnaflow out the back. It's a Magnaflow, I don't know. It's a kit. It's a special design for these Mustangs. As you guys can see, it comes dual link and then single out on each side to cut down on drone by Magnaflow. There it is. Long tube headers. Right there. And then like I said, they had exhaust leaks there. We fixed it for him. X-pipe, 2.5-inch system out the back. What kind of Magnaflow was it? The Magnaflow RTR Tactical. So we'll see if we have a link in the description for you guys. It's the RTR Tactical axle back system for it, which sounds phenomenal, guys. And if you guys want to follow his build, there's his Instagram. Make sure you guys tell him Exhaust Addicts sent you. If you guys do like it, you can tell from the stance it's a badass car. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. As you guys can see, it's a sick automobile. Oh my God. Wow. 125 on the sound decibels. Your sound decibels, it was 125. 124. Sounds so good. Beautiful stance to it. Everything is adjustable. Love it. Coyote. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sexy Mustang. I don't know why this one's growing on me, man. I like it. Something about it. I think it's all the black on black with the coated wheels. I like it. It's just got a nice stance to it. Don't you guys agree? Enjoy, guys.